Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode of Cook with Efita. I'll be making a delicious dish today, which is Ayamase stew, also known as Ofada sauce. The great thing about this recipe is that we are not using too many ingredients. For the pepper, I am using my red, green and yellow pepper and also my TATASHI pepper. For the protein, I'll be going in with my chicken and my goat meat. Now you can choose to just use your green pepper or mix with your shombo and tatashi. It's totally up to your preference. Since I don't have a chop blender, I'll be using my rusty manual blender. It saves me anytime. But if you have a chopped blender, feel free to use it. It all depends on what you have at home. But since I don't have that, this is what I'll be using. I will go ahead and blend all the peppers now. As you can see, it is working just fine for me. Once blended, make sure you remove the excess water. Watch me as I use a sieve to drain the water from the mixture. It is important to remove all of that extra liquid. I hope you're watching carefully. Now this is what it looks like after draining. Next, in the pots, I will add my meat, which is my chicken and my goat meat. I'll also be adding my onion, my grounded pepper, my bay leaf, my Mr. Chef goat meat spice, which I love using, my Lassa chicken spice, my thyme, my curry, my Maggi, my salt to taste, and a little bit of rosemary. Stir everything together and let it steam for a while. You will notice the meat is starting to steam and cook. Once it is steaming, add a little bit of water and cover your pot and let it boil. Once the meat is cooked and tender, take it out and set the stock aside. In a separate pot, heat up some bleached palm oil and fry the meat until it is brown or to your preferred level of crispiness. After you're frying your meat, after you fry the meat, remove it from the oil. Add in some onion and eru to the oil. Stir and let it fry a bit. Once that is ready, add your blended pepper mixture to the pot and let it cook for a while. Once it's cooking nicely, add some Maggi and a little bit of salt to taste. Stir it together and add your beef stock or your meat stock rather. Then cover it to cook for a while. Stir again together after cooking for a while. Then you go ahead and add in some crayfish to taste. It's always good to add crayfish in your Ayamase stew to give it that flavorful taste. You can go ahead and add your egg and your fried meat too. Stir everything together and let it cook for about 5 more minutes. And there your Ayamase stew is ready. I paired mine with regular rice, but you can eat and serve yours with Ofada rice for the authentic experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.